bringing all the marks together under one roof is one thing that makes it special. So it gives all the Mumbaikars an opportunity to come and see their favorite masterpieces, which are timeless classics. So I think that is one thing which definitely makes it special for all the Mumbaikars.
It is a must-go festival for us. It's like a pilgrimage, annual pilgrimage.
We are participants every year. Okay, we're part of the Mercedes-Benz group, Mercedes-Benz Club. This car has come from Pune.
I would say that it's a good cause by Rustomji to bring everyone together in one space.
I've always looked up to Rustomji as well. I've seen your buildings as well, and luxury class. I could give you 5-6 words.
And actually, it's a perfect fit, right? Mercedes is amongst the best, top quartile, and Rustomji is amongst the best builders. The entire community is like one big family.
The connect of a man with his toys, a boy's toys, and all of them together. You fall short of words.
I find it really cool. The 6.3 liter V8, just love it.
And I think the best part was just sitting in the car and the drive along the coastal road, right up to Marine Drive and back. So it was absolutely fantastic.
So this kind of cars are not being seen in Mumbai Road oftenly. So this kind of event brings everyone together. People come to know the new cars, the restored car, the history of the cars, which gain more interest, and people love it definitely, the youngsters and new generations.
Massive name which is joining a colossus in the world of automobile engineering, and Deutschland is the best. Germany is the best, as is Rustomji.
Keep building good homes and keep doing something like this, which is always good for us to visit and enjoy,
So here I would like to see there is a common thing between Rustomji as well as the event. As this whole event is about connecting people, the same way Rustomji is. And we thank Rustomji for bringing all us together, because there is a versatile amount of crowd over here. Everyone knows everything, but the thing is, once they see this in real, the impact is a visual impact.
I think Rustomji are coming out as the leading project developers in Bombay. I think all their projects are just amazing. So kudos to Rustomji, to Baman Irani. I think they're doing an amazing job.
We love their quality, the construction, the common areas, the play areas. I think also both the brands, Mercedes and Rustomji, they are something which things to aspire for. And once you can afford a Rustomji or a Mercedes, you kind of know you've made it. So I think that's something that's common.